Guess what? All the Africans in the line have been removed. Others are just passing, but all the Africans have been removed. Girl, serving you only the best.
The party inside of your baby clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. These bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimbler though. I'm the one who run the city where they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all
Hi. Yes, we're here. We're about to board. Can't wait for Kuala. It's gonna be a long ride. How many hours? 2, then plus 4, 6 plus 13. Mwalimu wa math. Hapa ni wapi? Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Whoa. Soma label. Soma label. Caramel. Chocolate.
They know my body is good. $2 million the party inside of your Arabian clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. These bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimbler though. I'm the one who run the city where they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all fictitious. I done been the realest block. Keep a couple killers that don't care how far them licks is. Look, just act like they want action. Heard they want action, bitch, we ain't ducking no action. I said give them that traction, send a distraction. Then I'ma line them like fraction. Drink, I let them live, look at all them eating. But these bitches gon' be mad once I
You're tired of loving with nobody to love.
Know it if I move right. Until it's perfect, yeah, there's no such thing as too right. On my lonely blowing smoke under the moonlight. If you was here, then I'm sure it'd have the mood right. But you not, so I'ma smoke it till there's no light. Yeah, I know it's wrong, but it feels so right. Yeah, I want it all night. Told me that you wanna have a good night. Now you tripping, girl, what happened? Try to tell you the baddest, you ain't listen. Gotta take advantage of this gift that I was given. Don't know when it ends, I'm trying to get it well.
We are now on our second flight to Singapore, then Kuala Lumpur. Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Shawty, you the baddest in the room. At the exit, I'ma have to meet you soon. I'm a player, baby, I can't be a groom. Said I'm a player, baby, I can't be a groom. Heard me right, yeah, we in tune. Said you hate it when I hang around the goons. But we be working, girl, I'm tryna make it boom. Start at midnight and finish up at noon. Hey, I cannot be reckless, gotta move right. I'ma get in, I know it if I...
Airport, going to Kuala Lumpur. It's been a long ride. Tumekaa kwa hiyo ndege, guys. It's too far. My body, the first thing you're doing when you get there, massage. Like,
definitely massage.
We had the massage in Malaysia is like nothing else. So that's the first thing we are doing.
We are cancelling every other activity. Massage first, then every other activity follows.
Asia is far. Asia is far from Kenya. I beg, I was never ready. One thing about Ethiopian Airlines. What can you say about Ethiopian Airlines?
Oh my God, the staff are rude. When we're asking for water, they don't fully give us everything we need when we ask for things.
Then they just answer you, like, before you even finish talking, they've already answered you. Like, they don't wait for you to... Okay, generally, I just feel like the worker behavior of the staff in Ethiopian Airlines, not right.
And we also experienced that in the Ethiopian airport.
Yes.
We went to a restaurant and they
were quick to fukuza us.
Yes.
Just because we ordered coffee. And a small banana bread.
Like
you're like at for coffee and banana bread, time's up. Like, now we never saw it hard doing it to anyone else.
It's only us.
Anyway, it's our too.
So we're now at Singapore. It's really pretty.
Yeah, but it's
well organized. But yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, it's
the
hot.
weather is hot, but at the airport they have ACs all around, so you don't feel that
So
effect.
probably Malaysia will be the same weather.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you where you been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Love's a game.
In Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Funny thing about this airport, like when you alight, you mix with the guys that are boarding. So it's like, I've never seen that in an airport. Unashuka mkichana watu wanapanda, I'm like,
New money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny? Rumors lie. And I know you heard about me. So hey, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one ends. Grab your passport in my hand. I can make the bad guys good for a weekend.
so guess what? All the Africans in the line have been removed. Others are just passing, but all the Africans that they removed. Like huku kando, they check the accommodation we are going. They call that accommodation and confirm that we are going. Imagine Malaysia for you, for Africans. Malaysia for you. Imagine being profiled because of your color. Like I've never experienced this thing because of the color. Also, the same Malaysia is the one advertising Air Asia direct flights from Nairobi to Kuala Lumpur, and the same Malaysia are the ones profiling us at the airport. Like everyone is passing. Then all the black people we have assembled here. I don't know if you can see this place. It's like a
Cousins get together. All the people of color are here. They're just here stuck because of one reason or the other.
Actually, they want to call our accommodation. Actually, they want to check our intentions of coming to Malaysia. Why Malaysia? Like what the hell? Like nimeboeka. Malaysia, go show us.
They don't want black people over here. Just say this is racism and it is discriminatory against.
Imagine everyone just passing. All the black people. To the left. To the left. To the left.
To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left.
Ay, Jesus. Even the immigration officer had the audacity to ask the people who are behind us if we cut the line. If he was asking them, did they cut the line to come in front?
Like, they don't deserve to be there. Like, I don't know, it was so ill-mannered of him to be asking if we truly cut your line. If you're not, anyway, maonyesha mambo huko honestly. Hizo batu caves.
Oh, because of Batu Caves. Because of Batu Caves. This is what you're going through. Anyway, we hope for the best. Let's see what these people have to say. We have managed. We have gotten the stamp, but we are not happy at all. This is not how you treat Africans, man. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Like second class.
Imagine this guy, he wanted that us we go for quarantine. Actually, our yellow fever card is not, it does not count.
Recognized in their country.
Actually, we need to get a Malaysian yellow fever. What the hell? Be quarantined? Hey,
something that is for a lifetime.
Apo the African in me. Tulikuja juu.
Not for her.
I was like, excuse
quarantine
me. We are here. What do you mean? It doesn't count. Hey, then he was like, hey, okay. Then he just let us pass. Kutupima tu hapa akili.
But honestly, these guys, just give them that energy. When they
finally.
It must
Hi guys, welcome to our crib. So first we have our kitchen. You can see the cabinets, so we've still not unpacked our things, so our things are still here. This is the kitchen area. We have our washing machine over here.
Yeah, a fridge.
The
The living area.
The living room.
With like a cute dining table.
Nice. And even the colors.
Yeah.
The colors are just
The
nice.
tones.
The tones.
Soft
The whites and the
tones.
greens.
Ooh.
Not the Kikuyu landlord green.
Yes.
Really nice.
Ooh, cute.
Look at that, guys. Let's go to the
Bedroom.
bedroom. Okay. So this is our bathroom.
Period.
Guys, we don't even need to say anything. Nini angalieni tu.
Where
Bathtub,
it has a rain shower.
a rain shower, a bathtub. Period.
Yeah.
No words to say. And our
Bedroom. Cute. There's a wardrobe.
Then there's a wardrobe, and it has mirrors on it. So hey, easy details, guys. I'm telling you, to die for. To die for.
And the beds are spacious.
Guys, they're
They're
spacious.
big.
Look at that.
The lighting.
Look
And
at the
then
lighting. And then
there.
guys,
There. Hey.
yeah, I'm not ready.
Come here, come here.
The balcony, guys, the views. Guys,
We are speechless. We are speechless.
as you see, we have no words for this. Look at our views.
And guess what? We can see the twin towers
towers.
from our balcony.
Oh my gosh,
What?
guys. I wish.
As in, hey, look, this is our bedroom, and this is our view.
And even the
as
camera
in-
is not
as
doing
in-
it justice.
as
Guys,
in-
in person.
What?
What?
What? Guys. This place.
Tuliangukia.
This place. The twin towers. Like, you know, people come to the twin towers. As you can walk to the twin towers.
Imagine, it's 10 minutes away from our place.
10-minute walk to the twin towers.
Guys,
Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. You are not ready for us. We are going to check out the rooftop before we call it a night. Look, tunatoka Ruth.
right? Right? What the heck?
Rose, oh no. Oh my god, look at that view. Oh my god. This is the other view. The view is actually like almost 360 view of Kuala Lumpur. With the infinity pool, you cannot wait to get into the pool. There's a play area here. Na si huku juu wako na different wifi. Set it, pick up, set it. Hey, but I'm beat. We are finally here, and yo, it's been a movie, it's been a journey, but we're finally here. The house is nice. The check-in was so easy. I would totally recommend this building. It's 10 over 10 minus nothing. Roy's residence, the location, the check-in process, the views, the rooftop pool, everything is just smooth. So had we just forgotten the drama at the airport, we just want to have fun in Kuala Lumpur. By the way, I just learned it's not Kuala Lumpur, it's Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I want to head down, buy some things, because you know, this is an Airbnb, so we'll have to sort ourselves for breakfast. So I saw there was like a mat down there. I want to go and buy like water and coffee and all those things for tomorrow morning, and tomorrow is gonna be an adventure. Today we are so tired. We were supposed to go to the Twin Towers today, but we were like, let's just shower and sleep, call it a day, because Kuala Lumpur is so far. 13-hour flight plus 2 hours from Nairobi to Addis. That's like 15 hours. So we need to handle that jet lag like immediately. So we have to sleep and wake up tomorrow. Kuala Lumpur is like 5 hours ahead of Nairobi, so we're still adjusting. So let's head down and do the shopping. The mart just across the street, like this is the best place to live. Across the street we have all these things. We have a supermarket, you can see the KL towers there, and you are good to go. Next to Ibis Hotel. That's Ibis Hotel, and that's Roy's residence. And this looks like a very busy street. We're trying out some Malaysian whatever. So there's water, chestnut and sugar cane. Then there's this traditional thing we bought. They said it's rice, freshly made. Oh, okay. Oh, Rose, come and see. It's rice with beans and a boiled egg and I don't know, a sauce. It's called nasi lemak. Yep, supper for us. That's it for today. Let's eat, shower, call it a day, then we meet tomorrow. See you on the next one. Bye. Let me tell the truth. Hey, missing in